Hi, good evening. Welcome to my YouTube channel again. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. It's called Zudo's African Label. From time to time, I do videos on organic drinks. I do homeschooling videos and I do a lot of teachings. But for this specific video, I am going to be talking about my book, which I was supposed to unveil the cover on the 8th. But because we were bereaved, a lot has happened to us in our family. First of all, I want to say thank you to all those who sent us condolence messages, who gave support to us, and who also prayed along with us for several days, and those who are still praying. Thank you very much. Today, I'm going to talk about my Edo book. I wrote a book on Ędo language. The title of the book is Ununòzęndo Kevbę Ununòzędo. Ununòzęndo actually means, Ędo language is our mother tongue, but Ununòzęndo means the mouth that speaks Ędo language. And then I said Kevbę, it means hand. Kevbę means hand. Kevbę Ununòzęndo. Ebonòzęndo means the white man that speaks Ędo language. Our intention is to make Ędo language a bit popular. Our intention is to remove stigma from Edo people. Ędo language is a language that is spoken. Ędo language is a language that is spoken by Southern minority, precisely in Edo State, Nigeria, and West Africa. So like I said before, the title of my book is Ebonòzęndo. The title of my book is Ununòzęndo Kevbę Ununòzęndo, pardon me. And under the title, I have a subtitle that says, Learning Edo Language with Ease. And once again, I'm Dr. Mrs. Zoira Doreen Osazua Yusuf. I was a lecturer at University of Benin before I relocated to Canada. I actually read Edo language and English language at the beginning. Later, I read adult education. And then subsequently, I did my master's in public admin and international relations, and I did my PhD on PAPA, which is a policy analysis and public admin. So I decided to write a book on Edo language because I discovered that most of our children in diaspora, they actually cannot pronounce their names. They can't spell their names. The pronunciation especially, some of them, they are stuck with English names and abbreviations. So the book is not really a book that is complex. Like I said, it's learning Edo language with ease. So I want to quickly run through the table of contents. Video is not flowing. Off it.